It's 100% from scratch. So I took one look at importing and immediately decided that that was not going to happen. And Joël and I both agreed with that. So building something from scratch, atomically up, gives you the opportunity to learn all the styles. I get how all the tool really works. So I didn't look at it as like, oh gosh, I got to go reset the fonts again. First of all, fonts in Figma are a dream, because if you've set up a design system in Sketch, you know that if you don't want to have force overrides for center, left, and right, you need to set up each font style 3 times. A nightmare, especially to maintain for anybody who's actually maintained a system like that. That went away right away. So there was these little moments of joy that were happening as we were making the system. And then those moments were like getting me super psyched, being like, hey, Photoshop was good a long time ago, but dang, things have come a long ways, right? Figma was just really great for that. And so, yeah, we did build it from the ground up, but we had designs to reference, because none of that work was, we didn't leave that work behind. We just made it better.
Yes, there were two issues to import what we have done in Sketch. The first one is, I think when you import a file which has all the components in the file and you import it in Figma, it's working pretty well. But any kind of like the design system is just a bunch of external library. So you are losing all the link. So when you import something complex like this, you are just losing everything. So some color are translating, some are not. And so you don't know what is right and what is not. So it was clearly kind of impossible. On the top of it, because it was a new tool for us, importing thing, you are basically leaving behind you a bunch of shit that you didn't know why it was there, how it got there. And you cannot build a design system where the foundation will be as shaky as it would have been if we just kind of rely on that. So building was a little more kind of, okay, we start again, but it was a way to learn the tool and to be sure that the foundation that we were building was solid and a good foundation, basically.